Today I'm at the Demopark near Amsterdam, and beside me we have got a very cool number from Unit Direkt. What we're looking at here today is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, let's say. And yes, if you look up, it does have a rooftop deck. Unit Direkt builds right here in Holland, but have delivered homes to Germany as well as Belgium. However, they are focusing on this general area. There's a lot of surprises in this home, so I think what I'm going to do is we're going to walk around the outside and then I'll go inside and show you what they've got going on here. Okay, I'm starting at the front side of this home because it gives me a chance to talk about what we're really looking at here. So you might have noticed that it appears as though there are two different sections to this home. You got the blue section down below and then you got the gray section up above. And if you did notice that, you are absolutely correct. This home ships in 2 pieces. Obviously, the blue piece arrives first, and then they crane the gray piece up on top. One of the things I want you to notice as we go around this home is not only the number of windows, but the size of the windows as well. So we've got the 2 almost floor to ceiling on this wall, not including the door. There's a window in the door as well. Nothing on this wall, but as I come around this side, check this out. You've got nice big window there. We can get a look up at the 2nd floor. So this is kind of cool. You've got the overhang that way. So this gets set across and it does give that kind of cantilever over the side, which is, you know, a nice cool feature for it. This window here is into the bedroom. Not sure if you saw the head poking out, but it does open. And then at the back, we're going into the rhubarb. Let's do it. We have got a full-size window into the bedroom, and as I go up, that's the 2nd bedroom up there with the exact same window on that. Okay, I'm gonna go around this side just to complete the loop before I duck inside. Gotta get back so we can actually see what we're working with. This is a cool angle right here, you know. Obviously, if you're gonna set this on the lot, it works in a couple different ways. You can go front to back on a narrow lot with this being the back, so then you've got the windows out of the bedroom looking into the backyard and any big important views. That's probably what I would do. Or if the lot's a little bit wider, you could set it across the lot like so. So you are looking directly out at the street from these living room windows. Then you approach the door as I am right now. Have a nice little sidewalk going up. Anyway, let's go inside and see what they got going on here. Landing in the front door off to the left, we have got a little bit of storage. You can see there's a stairwell up above. We will be going upstairs because, you know, we gotta have a look at the rooftop deck. Across from the entrance, a half bath right here. So toilet, you've got a sink over there. Let's flip on the light and have a bit of a look around because a little bit of storage behind on the wall there as well, which is kind of cool. Black toilet, that's not something you see every day. Matches the black door and it's pretty sleek, really. So as you enter, coming to the right, we will go past the dining room here and into the living room. One of the things I like about this space, well, there's a couple. Okay, number 1, we've got the feature walls on either side of the fireplace there. You've got the TV above the fireplace and then a mini split up above. The second thing that I like in this space, right here, look at this. So almost a full wall of window. Obviously that door opens as well. Looks like those 2 open. This is a fixed window right here. I'm gonna go around this way to show you the furniture placement. So we've got the almost floor to ceiling windows on either side. They've left this space in the middle just to allow for somewhere to put the couch. Chair in the corner. I'm gonna pan back around. We've got 2 chairs kind of right in front of the feature wall, which looks really cool in my opinion. You've got the black and then the white in front, making it pop, for lack of a better word. Okay, so here's another look at the dining room. You got the light fixture up above. Let's head into the kitchen. So you've got the stove down there, cooktop, vent here, black sink. So black hardware is a theme throughout the home. Let's see what we've got for drawers. Okay, we got that there. I'm not sure what this is. I'm going to try. Okay, this is cutlery here. So that's kind of cool. You've actually got 2 drawers in one. In this one. Is this one deeper? Yep, this is a deeper one here. We've got one under the cooktop, above the stove. Obviously, under the sink, the usual under the sink storage. What do we got over here? Dishwasher. Wasn't expecting that. One of these is going to be the fridge. I'm going to say this one. Yepper, we've got the fridge there. That means down below is likely the freezer. Yes. Is this a pantry here? No. So this is a little bit of a space you could put a broom or something like that, but up above you'll see we've got a hot water tank. Just past the kitchen, we've got the bedroom that's on the main floor, and this is where things get interesting. So as I head in, you'll see closet over here. This is actually a bit of a mechanical closet, but the next one over is going to be for your clothing. So got some built-ins in here. I'm a little bit close, but you get the drift. Over here, same idea. On the end wall, this is the window that I had showed you before. You can see some of the other homes over there. I'm going to go take a look at those. But coming around this side, this is where things get interesting. So both of the bedrooms have this. This is a shower in the space behind the bed. I'll go back over to the other side so we can see what they got going on there. And if I look from here, so over there, that's the shower side. I'm going to go over this way to show you this. So you've got kind of a vanity setup right here. Place to brush your teeth, do your hair, and stuff like that. So here's the window that goes out of what I'm going to call a half bathroom that's kind of tucked behind the bed. Not something you see every day, but I definitely like it. Heading up the stairs, what we've got is almost a replica of what's down below, but it's open up here. It feels a little more spacious to me. I would call this the main bedroom because it is a little bit bigger and it's got access to the rooftop deck right here. Take a quick look out there. Looks like the rain has started. Okay, so this is a little bit different. We've got the vanity setup over here. Again, a little bit bigger space in this bedroom. Tucked back here is where you're going to find the shower. So this is why I said it's 2.5 baths, but really it's a half bath and 2 half baths, I guess you could say. Views from up here as well with the full wall of windows, and on this side, instead of having the shower over here, we have got a walk-in closet. Lots going on in this home from Unit Direkt. I really am a big fan of it. It's just such a unique floor plan. It's got cool features that you don't see every day. And I think now is the time I should get into the pricing. So this home, the way it sits, starts at 189,000 euros. All right, that is it for me here at the Demopark, checking out this very cool home from Unit Direkt. Again, we've got 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, a rooftop deck, all for 189,000 euros. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.